is your finished product. Crispy, delicious, unbelievable. You guys, so good. These meals could not be easier. I hope you have a crock pot. I hope that you enjoy quick, easy, delicious. Stop back here often. It's early in the morning. We're gonna prep the chicken. Take olive oil and we're gonna coat the bottom of it. Our chicken, both sides, coat it. Chicken's all coated. Now we're gonna start seasoning. Garlic salt. Generous. Black pepper. Onion salt. Just coat everything. I use this Mrs. Dash. Thyme. Onion flakes. You know those Lipton onion soup mixes? You don't need to buy this anymore. You can make this stuff with the seasoning in your own house. I've got a organic bone broth. This is the turmeric flavor, very good. It looks like that. I use heaping. Spread it over the whole top. Butter. That's probably the equivalent of 2 tablespoons. The kettle water is boiled. I just cover it up like that. Cover. At the end, I'm gonna broil it so the skin gets crispy. I'll see you back. This is 4 hours. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I wish you could smell it. That's 4. Guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna transfer this chicken into this dish because I'm gonna pop it in the oven and put it on broil so the skin crisps up. Oh my gosh, it's falling off the bone, so you gotta take it from underneath. Now, if you don't eat the skin and you don't care about the skin being crispy, then yeah, you're just done. Now I'm gonna pop it in the oven to crisp up the skin. I'm gonna taste this a little bit. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Okay, chicken's going in, 500 degrees so we can crisp up the top. You notice I got the rack low because the chicken is all the way cooked. All we're gonna do is just crisp up. Now, if you don't like skin, skip this step. Go to the table and eat. Enjoy it. Get a crock pot. Thanks, guys. I hope that you enjoy quick, easy, delicious. Stop back here often and tell me in the comments what you want me to do. I hope you have a crock pot. Hope to see you on my next video. You know what to do. Make sure you fall off the bone. You go like this. Take out that bone right there. hope you guys like it. It's so freaking good. Enjoy. Finger licking good.